Nitrous. We're adding nitrous to the Wild Evo. All right, Jim. You want it? You're gonna get it. The common misconception about nitrous is it's flammable, and it's not. What it does is it cools down the cylinders, which creates more oxygen, and it's just like more efficient. So it makes the engine run more efficient, which creates more power. Oh wow, look at that. I've been looking for that.
What?
That washer.
Look no further, pal.
This is
You
dirty
found
in
me.
here. I haven't had this off in a while. After this, we're going, once this is all done, it's ready for the dyno. The dyno is what measures horsepower. So the next episode, hopefully, is dyno day. Hey, heads up, Shane.
What happened?
Let me just help you out a little bit, because I ain't got time for this. Would you look at that?
Nope.
Just sometimes you just gotta look at it. It's a small wind, you know?
Look at that.
Would you just look at it? Sometimes you just gotta look at it.
Yeah, the only.
Oh, would you look at that?
I'll put that
Just look at that.
Yeah, bud. All right, Shane, order some food, man. I'm starving. Shane, where the fuck is my fucking shit?
What do you want?
Where's my fucking tools, man?
What tools?
There it is. Nope, that's not it.
What do you need?
Where's the impact?
Impact you have on the back table over here.
This thing? Pff, not impressed. You know what I'm not impressed with? This brand new fucking coating that didn't even last through idle.
That's what shattered.
I'm not gonna say who did that.
We're gonna do it.
Shane, I think I got something here.
Yeah, I got a couple if you need.
Yeah, I got something. That's not tight enough. It's still not tight enough. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you. If you're just my type, you know, nah, nah, nah.
Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, 'cause you're just my type. Oh, na, 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 na.
I don't know.
I can be your hero, baby.
No, you can't.
I can.
Nobody can save me.
I need a 10 on a fucking ratchet or something, Shane. Look at this. This is like almost like I knew what I was doing, I tell you.
Check this guy out right here, man.
You see that?
He's bending it like Beckham. Will this work for you, Nick?
Yes. Okay. Oh, get this on. That's tight.
Like what now?
Like a fucking toy.
Talk to me,
I bet
man.
when I hit the purge valve, it's gonna just shoot that thing out and shatter my windshield.
No.
That's what shattered my windshield.
Where are we again?
Mama.
Dad, is that you? Where the fuck is the goop, man?
You still haven't eaten anything. You know?
What do you want?
Shaved steak, ribeye, premium quality. They also have soup. Oh, yeah. I'm telling you, I'm gonna hit the purge valve and this thing's gonna go.
What are you doing in there? What are you doing there, Nick? You better not be fucking my dad. Watch this.
If this door falls, I'm done for the day. I gotta do a different thing with the thing. Ready? How many gloves is that? You keeping count? This is third set.
Glove counter.
I said I'm gonna probably go through 5 sets because of that goop. This stuff sucks. He's a shoot from the hip kind of guy.
You get it?
I watched this thing last night, like this Netflix thing, and that's how they like describe this guy. He's like a shoot from the hip kind of guy. The fuck does that even mean? This is the worst thing to do is put gloves on when your hands are wet.
Yep.
When your hands are moist.
Yummy.
Moist.
You like that right there, yeah?
I guess so far this is gonna work nice. This is gonna be so hidden. Nobody's even gonna know we have nitrous. Yeah, until this video comes out. I'm gonna go right here. Grab that drill.
Good there?
Yeah. Don't let that twist and hit that windshield, buddy.
All right, I'll use my bad wrist then.
I think that's good with me. Let's check it. Yep, that fits. Get that thing nice and tight in there, Shane. You just look at this.
Would you look at that? Would you look at it?
Snap it. Oh man, it's not gonna work.
No, come on, dude. Cut it out.
I kid.
You scared me. You want the short 12 or the normal 12? And where's the 11? The 11. All right. Right, dude.
See how nice that is? That's how it should have been originally.
Yeah, I believe it.
Okay, I think that's tight because it's like making crunching sounds. Got your drill?
I do. Good sire.
That's the right hole.
That's the right hole? He's good.
He's good. He's real good.
Hey now. Hey now. That's not your jurisdiction, buddy. That's my butt. My good pal, Nick. A good friend of mine. Been hanging around for quite some time.
Can you go grab your tank that you broke?
Come on, man. Don't make me feel bad. I was so upset this morning, guys. Real upset. I don't even want to talk about it anymore, to be honest. Breaks my heart. My achy, breaky heart.
So we're gonna just use this for markup purposes, just so I know where this is going. But I think we're gonna do something like this. Papa Vic's gonna have to make that work. All right, what size is that? You think 14, 13? Do you have a regular 14?
Oh, we don't got to talk about this one getting lost. I knew exactly where it was, dude.
Yeah, man. There it is. That's the last bit of the lineage.
Lineage?
So the lines are done. So the only thing left as far as plumbing, tie in this to the solenoid, and then we need one 6-inch line to connect the solenoid. And then the plumbing's done. Now we're gonna jump into wiring, and we're gonna mount this bitch professionally.
Mount it. Mount it. Okay.
This bracket came with the solenoid, so that's what we're gonna use. What'd you eat today?
Today I had a protein shake in the AM, and then I had a sandwich from Dunkin' for the gym. That's it, but I'm hungry.
I'm starved. You ready to purge on this?
Purge, sure can. I don't think I have any.
I just need like an 8 AN bulkhead fitting, and
To
that would
run
be,
wires through?
yeah, or a 6 or a 10.
I have the 10 AN ones.
It'll work. It's gonna be big. I don't want to put a big hole. It's too
So
big.
then we'll just drill a little hole to run everything through temporarily, and we'll get the right size. I gotta go to Milton anyways. Float down.
I just want to get it done, man. I want to go fast. Go fast.
I know.
You don't know shit. Oh my God.
What do you need from me?
I need to extend this somehow. Bit extender.
Shank. Nick! That could have gone so much worse.
I hate this thing.
Is this long enough?
Huh? It's better than what we had.
I don't know where you're going,
Yeah.
but we might need more.
I think we're gonna need more.
This might be tough, pal. Found it.
Glove count number 4.
Look at that extendo mag, kid. You don't want to see that come
If
off
I
the
had
head.
this in high school, I tell you what, man. All the boys would be talking about me.
Remember now, you got some length, baby.
Oh, I don't want to hit this windshield, man.
Oh, you went right through a theme. Jesus.
I could do fucking movie analogies all day, bro. It's just not analogies, not movie analogies, movie references, Nick.
Yes.
You fucking chooch.
Better. Better.
This
It's
is what
okay.
happens when you didn't
I
even
wouldn't
make
have
it out
said
of high
nothing like all
school.
the online critics, you know?
This is what happens when you don't even make it out of high school. You know what I mean?
Come on, why are you talking about me like that?
I'm talking to myself. You order food yet?
Oh yeah. From where? Flo's Kitchen? What do you want? I know what you want. Right around the corner.
I hate that fucking place. Oh, I hate that place.
We're not getting that then?
Nope.
So what are we getting?
I don't know. Whatever you want.
That's kind of right there, man.
Shane, that place sucks.
But when you go online and we see the Google reviews,
Yeah,
bro,
throw some tape on this one.
they're killing it.
Bro, it's gotta go through the hole, Shane.
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna write on it and then fold it so you can get it through a hole. Yep.
That's it.
Boom. Cleaner than my butt cheeks, pal.
You silly guy, you. All right, where's that cowl?
I don't know. It's on eBay, dude, for $4.99. Signed. Is that clear? Yeah.
Like a glove?
Like a glove.
So
First shot.
that's how that's gonna look. This sweet little purge. It's almost like we knows what does it.
No.
Grab that.
Don't listen to him. Fuck the guy, don't listen to him. I'm telling you.
Somewhere else for now.
Good for now?
Yep, because I'm
Throw
gonna
this back
actually
over there?
I'm gonna add a little bit of oomph to that.
You already know what that is.
This is so Nick doesn't hear any wind in the cabin.
You're gonna stuff your hole, some silicone. You got the right stuff, baby.
This is not silicone. This is epoxy adhesive.
For electrical wires,
That's what this is.
bonding to metal holes in vehicles. Says it on the back of the can if you're wondering.
Yeah, pal. I might be close to five gloves today. I mean, that's pretty much it as far as that goes. And then we got here, this is called a solid state relay. This is what controls the nitrous solenoid. So you got power and ground, and then trigger. So ECU is gonna control this. So this will go into the ECU. You got power, ground, or vice versa. That's pretty much it. And then there's a cursor bean in here.
Yeah, the computer talks to the guy in there. His people call their people.
Hey, it's time to initiate the nitrous there, Jim. That's a go 410 and over there, yep, mm-hmm.
Hit the red button.
And then we go real fast. So as far as nitrous goes, the remaining things to do is 3 wires, that cowl line, and then 1 more line, and nitrous is installed. We're done.
Yeah, we're ready to go fast, dude.
So that's done as far as nitrous.
50 cents.
Did you order food yet, bro? You know what you should be focusing on? Getting food.
I rule you, Nick Amaral. What else is around here? Give me some freaking insight, dog.
Hopefully this thing starts.
These are your freaking stomping grounds, bro. It's a warm day, pal.
Tell you what, Gladys. Oh, wow. Won't be in here. Holy shit. Sounds like one of them there Wraith cars.
I don't believe it. It's got 4 doors, man.
How does it sound, Shane? Was it nice?
It's louder than a pack of hyenas, Nicky. Does it shake you inside? Yeah.
Is it wild?
This is why we don't have heart attacks, man.
Is it wild?
Shakes up your insides, pal. Gets the blood flowing.
What are we eating, man? Just call Townies, dude. We're going to my favorite place in the whole wide world.
1 hour ago.
Shane, that place sucks. This place even open? Check this out. This is Townies, my favorite place. Come on in, man. I think we called it in. Did he put it under Shane's name? I think it was Shane, yeah. Good, you? Best steak and cheese, this side of the Mississippi. Shaved steak, ribeye, premium quality. They also have soup. The excitement is pouring out of me. I just can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. Oh, wow, that was fast. Thanks, man. Have a good one. See ya. Should I eat all the food before we get back and tell Shane I don't know what happened, like he does to me all the time? Shane, why is that broken? I don't know. Nick, where's all my food? I don't know. What do you think? Oh, it's still at the restaurant. I only picked up mine. Oh, yeah. Jimmy! You know that guy? No. Me either. Look at all these hoes. Somebody died over there. And over here, apparently. This is the hood. Dad, are you in there?
Unfortunately, Nick's dad was still nowhere to be found. Luckily, this did not stop our wild boy from eating his favorite lunch at his favorite place. And it definitely did not slow his pursuit to go fast.